Hello and welcome to this video. Today, friends, I will share with you how to check your visa state, Australia. So, friends, if you want to check Australian visa check, so follow me in this video guide. First, go to Google or go to directly this website, IMMI homeaffair.gov. This is the website. Scroll down, go to check option. You will see this one. Click on check visa details and conditions. And then from here, complete your details visa from here. As you can see here, upload your document types, choose your doc for example, passport, choose passport, and then you will see this page. From the document type, choose your passport, a reference type, choose your reference type from here, date of birthday, choose your date of birthday from here, your date of birthday, and then choose your document and number, choose your documents and number. After that, choose your country of document, choose your country, for example, from Bangladesh or Azerbaijan, and then click I have read, agree in terms, conditions. After that, click submit. So friends, this is how you can do to check online. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.